This is going to be a very quick case study video on how we've been able to generate some amazing results using the FeelSocial software. So on the screenshot you saw earlier, you could see that the dates were set to February 10th to February 20th, right? So if you add up these sales, it equals $2,801, and that's the screenshot I showed. But if we go ahead and we fast forward to more recently, which I'm going to show you in a second, we've been able to scale our results exponentially. Now notice this is live, logged into my account, Brad Stevens account, okay? So if I go ahead and set the date forward a bit to today, and I set the date forward here to today, you'll see how we've been able to scale the results with FeelSocial and a messaging funnel, and how it's been working amazingly well for our business. We've been able to generate close to $1,500 every single day using the FeelSocial software and a messaging funnel. So here's the thing, guys. Marketing in the messenger is nothing new. It's been around for a while now. It's been taking over from email because the email rates are dropping so much. And Facebook has realized that it's an opportunity for them to expand on the messenger platform to take over from email, so people can start using their platform and marketing on it more and more. And of course, Facebook gets more ad revenue from people running ads to posts, and they also obviously get more traffic on their site, and they have more engaged users within the messenger. Now, the problem is most people don't know how to market profitably inside of the messenger. That's the number one problem now. People don't actually know how to use the software as being released to make money. So as I mentioned earlier, we started off just a 10-day trial. We made $2,800 around there. And as you can see, we've been able to scale up to just over $1,000 per day for the last week or so. So we've been able to generate a lot of results using FeelSocial. And I'm going to jump into the software right now and show you how to set up a funnel to generate income just like this. Okay, so I'm logged into a new FeelSocial account now to set up the new campaign. But what I want to show you first is a live demo of basically what the funnel looks like inside of Facebook. So as you can see, the first message is sent. It's just thanking them for reaching out, and it delivers some training. And on this training page, we do sell a piece of software. And then if I scroll down, I follow up with him, which you can do within FeelSocial, and he replies saying he'd love the coupon code, and then we deliver the discount message, okay? And then he goes and he checks out. So that's basically how a messaging funnel works, guys. It's a message followed by their response, followed by a response by you, and so on and so forth, as deep as you want to go. And this is all possible, and you're able to do this automatically within FeelSocial. So let's go to new automation, select a Facebook page. I'm going to name this case study live, and I'm going to set up a new campaign. So I'm going to go, hey, I'm going to address them by the first name with a dynamic variable, and then I'm going to type a message saying, thanks for reaching out, testing this message. I'm not going to type out a whole entire message, but I just want to show you guys how this can be done. And then we have the ability to add a template. So what you can do is add call to actions to the bottom of your message. So we can go yes, no, and we'll just say, please let us know if you're interested in this. Click on add. So this message is now set, and we can set a trigger for when people message our Facebook page for the first time, or when they comment on a post. So I'm going to say welcome. So it's the first time someone messages my page, they'll be sent this message. And then I want to send a follow-up message with the discount code. So I can say something like, thanks for replying yes. Here is your discount code, and it can just be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for example. And we can also add a link to the URL where they can check out with the discount code, or add a headline, description, image, or address them with a dynamic variable once again. Click on add, set the trigger, and I'm going to set it for a custom keyword. So this message will only be sent if their reply contains the keyword. So I'm going to click on yes, and I'm going to click on add. So now when they message my page for the first time, they're sent this message telling them about whatever we're selling, and then they can choose whether they're interested in it or not. Then I can send them a reply with the discount code. Alternatively, I can include a call to action saying, yes, I want a discount, or no, I don't want a discount. Obviously, everyone's going to say yes. It increases the amount of people that respond, and then they are sent this message right here. That delivers the discount code, and you can continue following up according to different keywords they may use. Then what you can also do is broadcast a message to people who have messaged your page, okay? Or anyone who has commented on one of your posts or ads. You can set up a new automation and broadcast an entire campaign, let's say a new discount at the beginning of each month or the beginning of each week. You can send out an entire broadcast message with all the different customizations that you saw on the right hand side here, with call to actions, links back to your website, whatever it may be, to all your messenger leads. It's incredibly powerful, and this is how you make money with FeelSocial. So I'm going to click on save right now. I'm not going to go into a deep funnel, and it's now saved. Okay, so I'm on the page that I set up the campaign on. I'm going to send a message to this page saying, hey Sprout audience. There we go. It uses the dynamic variable I set up, the first name. Thanks for reaching out, testing this message. Please let us know if you're interested in this. Yes, I'm interested. And the reply comes through. Thanks for replying yes. Here is your discount code. And of course, this is a very empty example. I'm just showing you how the messaging funnels work, and they're 100% automated, and you can sell whatever you want within these kind of messaging funnels. And as I showed you, we've been having some amazing results selling through discount codes through the Facebook Messenger using these exact funnels. Okay, so now I'm going to run you through the broadcast feature, which allows you to mass message all of your messenger leads with different discount codes, different offers, whenever you want, 24/7. And what I want to do now is select a Facebook page. So let's go with the one we used in the new automation section. I'm going to name this case study broadcast. It's just for future reference. And then what I can do is I can drag and drop earlier templates, earlier broadcasts down to this if I want to resend it to a different page. But what I want to do now is add a new custom message, and I'm going to go ahead and use all the customizations. So I'm going to add a link. And I'm going to say view on web as the call to action on top of the link. Now keep in mind this is overlapping, but it's just because I've resized my browser to shoot this video, so ignore that. And then I'm going to add a call to action, yes, no, over here. And then I'm going to add an image. I'm going to add a headline, a description, and I can of course use the dynamic variables when I'm sending through a message. So I can go, hey name, that's going to use their full name. Thanks for messaging us the other day. This is just a follow up to check how you found our brand. If you're interested, check out what we have a discount on below. Okay, then I can either schedule that for a future time, and then we have the calendar feature where you can edit and delete future scheduled broadcasts. But I want to send this immediately, so I'm going to click on send now, and the message has been successfully broadcasted. So as you can see, it sent it to 2 users. It's got the send date and time. Now I'm going to go into the account that I broadcasted to and show you the message that came through. Okay, and as you can see, there's a message that's just come through. And here it is. Hey, full name, thanks for messaging us the other day. Exactly what I sent, the image, the headline, the description, the link back to my website, the yes call to action, and the no call to action. And this can be sent out to thousands of messenger leads at once, any time of the day, any day of the year, anytime you want, guys. This is very, very powerful if you want to remarket to existing messenger leads. And this is what FeelSocial allows you to do along with automated messaging funnels. So I want to thank you very much for your time in watching this case study and demo video, and I will speak with you soon.